First you learn it, then you deep it, then you speak it, and then you believe it. Sounds simple. Each of those processes requires effort. And effort is scary, especially when you're doing it in public. Effort can be a home workout. Essentially, no one knows whether you've done it or not apart from you. So it's only you that you have to check in with. If we take the first part of that, to learn something means that you've understood the nuance within that thing. Whether there's multiple nuances or whether there's a particular aspect that you needed to understand and absorb, that is part of the learning process. The next part, to deep it, we're going above and beyond the nuances to be able to apply it to other things. Understanding one aspect of learning how to cook is to boil something. Knowing how to apply boiling to multiple different foods in order to have a expected result. And that comes through practice. But now you're deeping the extent of how nuanced each different variable, aka the food, is in terms of the results that you will receive. When you speak it, you are activating another part of your brain to say that we've done the learning and we've done the deeping. However, nothing truly makes sense or connects with the brain until we A, write things down, and B, speak them out loud. And hence why they always say that the brain is something that can be fooled, that can be tricked. If you are big on language like I am, things such as, I can't do this, or this is too hard, these are things that you now are implanting into your brain. You are accepting as a truth. However, the moment you say you can, the moment you say, this may be challenging, however, I know that I can fulfill this task, or at least I'm not afraid to even attempt it, makes a world of difference. And lastly, to believe it, to believe something because you've done the learning, you've deeped it past the arbitrary nuance of it. You've been able to apply it to multiple variables and understand each difference that comes with those variables and the next layer of nuance. You've spoken it, so now you've heard it. Now it's something that your brain hasn't just absorbed indirectly, it's now a direct understanding. You can now believe it. You can now believe it's possible, that it has the power to do exactly what it's supposed to do. Remember the first time that you learn something, you've heard it. I remember someone saying to me, there's a difference between hearing something and